Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by identifying the charged particles in every atom, protons and electrons. A proton has charge +1 and an electron has charge -1 in elementary units. The atomic number tells you how many protons are present in a neutral atom. Many atoms also have neutrons, which carry no charge and do not affect net charge. Remember that net charge is the algebraic sum of positive and negative charges in the particle collection. To find net charge, first count total protons from the atomic number. Next, determine the total electrons, considering any ionization or charge state given. Net charge equals protons minus electrons expressed in units of charge, such as +1 or -2. For example, if one electron is lost, net charge becomes +1 because there is one more proton. Keep track of gains or losses precisely to avoid sign errors. Practice with specific atoms to solidify the method and avoid confusion. A neutral sodium atom has 11 protons and 11 electrons, so net charge is 0. If it becomes Na+, it has 10 electrons, so net charge is +1 by subtraction. Oxygen neutral has 8 and 8, so net 0. O2- indicates 10 electrons, so net charge equals -2. Always write protons minus electrons and include the sign when.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.